Um, my name is Craig Hale. I'm an interior decorator, and on behalf of expertvillage.com, I'm going to help you hang pictures on your wall and create interest without spending a whole lot of money. So you don't have two great wall sconces to hang on either side of your great art print that you found, but you do have a really awesome basket that you found that you just absolutely love, and this really cool cross that somebody found and gave to you for a birthday present. Well, obviously, when you hang them on either side of the print, it doesn't look that great because your balance isn't there, and one object is way bigger than the other. So an easy solution to do is, instead of doing a symmetrical scheme, to do an asymmetrical scheme. And basically what you'll do is simply hang one over the other. And why this works is because by grouping the two smaller objects and filling in the space, you're counterbalancing the heaviness of the large print. And so by using an asymmetrical balance, you can use disparate objects to create a cohesive whole.